Guys, look at my coins and gems. This hack working perfectly. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and gems for cooking favor, absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without downloading any modder, and you can manage it, guys. It's working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AdBlock, then type in search cooking favor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here and you will find instructions. So let me paste my here, I already copied. Let me click continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our coins and gems amount. So I will go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for cooking favor, absolutely make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's go to the next step. So the next step is to select I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Flip, and I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happens, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Coins and gems are on the way, guys. So excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see, does it actually works? Let's see, guys. Okay. Guys, look at my coins and gems. This hack working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.